Hello, today I'd like to use these pieces to make a small bracket and use a mortise and tenon joint to join them. So here I'm drawing out my general idea. It will be a roughly square mortise and tenon, so that when the pieces are joined, there'll be no way that it could rotate. My anvils in this video are getting jiggy with it, and it's because I've got them on thicker, softer rubber mats. I need to give a big shout out to Donald C. Henley and Jerry S. Hodges. These guys have given me multiple generous donations, so maybe I should say that this video is brought to you through contributions by them. Thanks a lot, fellas. At this point, the tenon is long enough, and the top end has a nice graceful curve, but I continue to work it for a couple more heats, and I think this is a lesson in you have to know when to stop. Sometimes less is more. So this is where I started to unnecessarily draw the tenon and flatten the top end. I'll come back to this later in the video and put back some curve in and try to regain some gracefulness. I just quickly hacksaw the tenon to shorten it up a bit. This piece looks like candy in a wrapper. taper along with curves make it flow better and just give it a more natural appeal. So keep that in mind in your blacksmithing work for one-off pieces. Sometimes linear lines don't have the aesthetic that curves do. This is a very old touch mark of mine that I rarely use nowadays. Sometimes small pieces can be finicky. There's less room for error because each heat moves relatively more metal. But in the end, I'm happy with the way this eventually turned out. There's nothing pretentious, just a simple handmade piece. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.